this is Dr. Shanahan, and I am just checking in regarding a couple of upcoming assignments and some reminders that I wanted to make sure that you heard regarding some things that you should be doing and should be planning for in the next couple of weeks. So the first one is the professional book study. At this point, you and your group members should have divided the text up into 3 different sections to use as the basis for the 3 different text talks that will occur between you and your group members. And you also should have signed up for specific roles that you will play during those text talks. You'll do this using the Edit Wiki Content tab in your group's wiki page under the groups column on the left side of Blackboard. So I just wanted to remind you of that. There's 1 or 2 groups left who still haven't done that, so I wanted to make sure that you do that right away. Then at this point you should be reading your secondary book choice, and as you are doing so, you're going to want to be thinking about the literacy strategy in your text that you might use when you are teaching your lesson for this class to the group of adolescents that you have chosen. So that lesson and reflection is due at the end of Module 5. So that's in 2 weeks. We're almost at the end or in the middle of Module 3. So you've got about 2 weeks to 1, decide on the literacy strategy, 2, create the lesson, 3, teach the lesson, and then submit all of the documents and reflections that you need for that. And then finally, the separate project is your content literacy instructional file, which is due at the end of Module 4, so at the end of next week. It's been one of the reminders to be working on, but please let me know if you have any questions about that. Just wanted to remind you of that. Hope you're all having a good summer. Thank you.